Hello everyone, my name is Azin ahmadzadeh. Today I would like to talk about the Windows 10 and explain an operating system which is the base of every computer, along with give us this possibility to let on the users to collaborate with the computer and manage hardware connect to the computer. Besides, I will describe my own experience and flexibility of using Windows 10. First I would like to explain the meaning of Windows. The most extensively purposes of operating system for personal PC or laptop, which is including a selection of programs and management. The PC allows the user to open and close programs, work with computer, and rules hardware linked to the computer. Windows operating system offers this opportunity to the user to cooperate with the computer through the keyboard or mouse. Also, range of data storage serving as music or image or something like this. Windows operating system has been universally used as a personal computer's PCs for the almost past 2 decades. Various versions of Windows consist of a graphical desktop which provides users to prospect files and folders in Windows. Further, contracts with failure and user information assist balance by providing the user to do different things on the computer at the same time, like listen to the music while reading an email. There are ongoing features updates in Windows 10. First of all, high security. And the next is logic and servicing support help users to reduce the cost of devices. Uh, of course, it is suitable operating system for students and has capabilities to secure the devices and infrastructure from modern threats. What is good or bad on this operating system? Of course, low cost and up-to-date security is one of the best pros of Windows 10. Microsoft did some addition for Windows 10 which made it notable and more user-friendly in compare of previous versions of Windows. For instance, the evolution of Cortana initiated in 2009 in the Microsoft Speech products. Cortana is sort of a micro assistant who can support users get things completed by typing a question in the search box or connecting through the microphone. There is this possibility to talk to the Cortana with ease. Besides, suggestion in Cortana Home on the taskbar helps user to what to say in case of no idea how to ask her. There are different fascinating features of Cortana on the order of fixed reminders for times or people, service or natural language search, identify a sign, search the web with Google or another search tool. One more aspect of Windows 10 is virtual desktop, where it can have loud monitors and has this opportunity to show previews of the windows open, along with develop and organize this desktop as well as arrange apps by design various screens alike lot of monitors. The additional useful feature of Windows 10, which is quite proper to use the screen more efficiently and boost the capacity, is Snap Aspect. This feature reviews the open apps in the available space. To snapping, just press Windows button plus arrows. At that moment, the app takes half the desktop and appear the other open apps. Another pros of Windows 10 is 2B eye tracking sensors can control gadget and content secure. Moreover, device knows the person and can inform if someone else demanding to use the computer. Besides, give this opportunity to control the mouse, benefit from an on-screen keyboard, and communicate through text-to-speech established on eye tracking. Additionally, cooperate to speak, type, and select hands-free along with appearance only the applicable instruction. Further, offers the hope of developed communication among devices by preparing them more common and natural. The best advantage of 2B eye tracking is taking care of individuals suffering from some disease like who cannot control muscles, guidance self-sufficient and more peaceful lives by allowing them to approach a computer and the internet using only eyes. Despite all advantages of eye tracking, there is drawback of 2B, which only assistance US keyboard design. The cons of Windows 10, we can say number of control panel items have not been modernized, and Microsoft Edge lacking thumbnail previous when multiple tabs are open. And the next one is no extension model in Edge. Some sites will still need to depend on Internet Explorer. It has been around 30 years since the first version of Windows has invented and become essential to all types of field. All started in November 1985 when the first version of Windows was formed. As you can see in this picture, Windows 2 built on 1987 by adding more shortcut keyboards and control panel, support VGA graphics along with Word and Excel. After 6 months, Windows 2.1 was launched to influence on new Intel processors. The third extensive release of Windows was Windows 3 in 1990, with supporting sound cards and CD-ROMs. 2 years later, Windows 3.1 built on the foundation of Windows 3 in 1992. After 1 year, in 1993, Windows divided into the NT and 9X families. Soon after, Windows 95 came in 1995 with the Start button and taskbar. After 3 years, Windows 98 considered more balanced than Windows 95 with easier support for plug-and-play devices plus large disk partitions and more USB performance. Again, Windows Millennium Edition has released in 2000, later Windows XP in 2001, Windows Vista in 2007, Windows 7 in 2009, and Windows 8 release. Windows 8 was invented to be a platform that could work on a PC as a tablet. Windows 8.1 tried to improving keyboard and mouse support and re-establish the Start button. Windows 10 has released in July 2015 as a follow-up to Windows 8. By launching Windows 10, Windows 8 and 8.1 combined 16% share of the PC market. Windows 10 is created to be a service that distributes innovation to the people using Windows. Universal Windows Platform is a platform-comparable application architecture designed by Microsoft. The purpose of platform is to develop different routes to one place. The UWP affords a secured core API across devices. This means creating a single app package that can be installed onto a different range of devices. The concept of device families is helped to understand how Windows 10 allows to target different classes of devices. A device family classified the APIs, system characteristics, and behaviors that across a class of devices. It also figures out the set of devices on which app can be installed from the store. The advantages of the universal device family is that app can run on a different device like phones, tablets, desktop computers, Xbox consoles, and to name a few. Besides, app can use modifying code to dynamically notice and use features of a device outside of the universal family. The most protected Windows ever, which consists of a considerable security improvement, is Windows 10, along with excellent risk protection, malware protection, and reliable hardware. Windows 10 helps to reinforce existence and defend data with agreements and features designed to avoid malware from running on the device. The assembled of Windows 10 aim to lead the outstanding of Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 entirely in single user experience. Even if working on a tablet or a laptop, Windows 10 suggests a touch-friendly mobile and desktop experience, all in one simple and easy-to-use operating system. Microsoft Software Guarantee interest for Office can help company drive expansion and progress and user efficiency, gain to help IT staff and maintain Microsoft Office products and Office 365 technical training and approach the advanced software releases. Software supports training benefit to build technical proficiency and ready IT professionals, planners, and end users for the current Microsoft technologies. Likewise, expansion productivity through affording comprehensive advisor technical training for IT experts and developers. Besides, build up user prepares through online training and explanation terms. Moreover, Home Use Program provides members current version of Microsoft Office to help home devices along a low-cost download and cause to increase mobility and productivity when members benefit the same software at home and at workplace. Additionally, Windows Defender application control supports to shield Windows 10 through helping avoid malware and executable against going on devices. Windows 10 has crossed 25% market share 1.5 years after release and installed on over 75 million PCs in its first 4 weeks. That percentage means 1 in 4 computers are currently use the latest operating system from Microsoft. Windows from 0.31 percentage dropped to 91.41 as you can see in this picture, while Mac operating system boosted from 0.25 to 6.32%. Well, the huge majority of the users' desktop computers or laptops is Windows. Because of this popularity, converted to a vast target, assuming that writing malware to affect average computers users, the target would be Windows where the most users are. The active blackmails come from spyware, adware, crapware, and ransomware, which is the worst of all, where malware bytes appeared. As a result, running antivirus is important for Windows to protect from the threats. Windows Defender, which comes automatically from Windows 10, protects computer from the threats and scan programs. The advantages of Windows Defender is that stay away from the system and does not slow down the computer, which it's not true about other antivirus programs. In contrast, I can say that a Mac has the purest operating system and more secure than Windows. Attacking a Mac is challenging because included security measures to protect from malware, and before open any file, Mac will check it across a malware list. Easy upgrade from a previous version of Windows process makes Windows 10 user-friendly. Also, tab thumbnails is very useful to see the content of tabs before selecting them. And Persian setting calendar has added in Windows 10, which helped me to find all the occasions related to Persia, and that is really useful. Overall, we can say that Windows 10 is the excellent product of the Microsoft, leading the best aspects of Windows 7 and 8 together with new features like Cortana or Edge browsers, large desktop interface processing, and Microsoft's free upgrade offer for everyone who uses Windows. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. I hope that it was useful and thank you for watching.